two, three. Wow, our first chili. And this one is a king chili. Let's keep that in the bag. Okay. Next, we have this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo! It's really long. Okay, let's keep it in the bag again. And then right here, it's a small one. So I'm gonna pick it. See? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at this, guys. My spectacles are getting wet. I can't see anymore. Okay. The other ones aren't really ready yet. As you can see, this one is still green. So, oh, this one we may pick because this one is starting to rotten. So we're gonna pick that. See? Here. Okay, let's keep that. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so far. Okay. I think this one is still orange. It's not fully ready yet, so we cannot pick that. This one too, as I said before. This one, I don't know about this. Should we pick it? I think it's good enough. So as you can see, this one is also starting to rot. So we're gonna pick it. Okay, ready? This one's a big one. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! This looks so good. No, not good. It looks so spicy. Okay, actually, I was wrong. This one is actually starting to rot. So I'm gonna pick it. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Look at that, guys. So cool. Okay. This one we could leave. So that's about it. As you can see, these ones are still green, which is not eatable. This one is really tiny. It's so cute. This one too. There's a lot. And then near it, we actually have another chili tree. These ones are not red yet. This one is red, but I want it to be redder than this, so we cannot pick this yet. But if we pick this when it's all red, I will make a video about it, about picking it. So yeah. So last look of these chilies. Okay.